looking to get away? Well, in this video, we're gonna take you to the beautiful island of Koh Yao Yai, Thailand. We'll show you how to get there, what to do, and where to stay to have the best experience in paradise. And make sure you stay to watch to the end so you can see how much we paid per night for this amazing 5-star resort. You won't believe it. You can get to Yao Yai by boat, either from Phuket or Krabi. We took a boat from Lam Haed Pier in Krabi. It was only 350 baht for 2 people and a motorbike. A real bargain. It took an hour to arrive to Chong Lat Pier, and I highly recommend checking the return boat schedule before you leave the pier. We knew that a return boat for Krabi left at 2 p.m., but did not know that that boat could not transport our motorbike. We needed to take the 8 a.m. boat for that. Because of this error, we had to hire a private boat for 2,500 baht to get back to Krabi. A very expensive mistake, so please be sure to check that boat schedule carefully. The main attraction on Yao Yai is Lam Haed Beach. And what's unique about this place is that it's very narrow. And as you go down the beach here, it narrows off into this tiny sliver, a little sandbank. If it's low tide and not rainy season, we're pretty sure there's a sandbank here. And you can walk all the way across to the other island of Yao Noi there, Koh Yao Noi. Because it's rainy season, and I don't even think it's low tide yet, no walking to Yao Noi. That's for another day. Nonetheless, it is spectacular. But at this little spot right here, you can see amazing 360 views of different islands. You can see the sandbank. And you can kind of see the whole island of Yao Yai from this one beautiful white sandy spot. Definitely something you want to take in if you come to Yao Yai. After Lam Haed Beach, we made a quick stop to Yao Yai Pier to enjoy the lovely view before returning to our hotel. For accommodation, we highly recommend staying at the Santhiya 5-star resort while on Yao Yai. This place is really an attraction all of its own. We stayed in a Supreme Deluxe ocean view room. It's walk-in shower, place to put your towels. Super intricate, artisan-made chandeliers. Da, 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 da. This is our bedroom. Doesn't it look like a nice place to chill? A magical bed to sleep in. A desk to work at. The balcony is really the best part of the room, with a lounge where you can chill out and look at this stunning ocean view. Simply breathtaking. Look at this tub. I really cannot wait to get into this tub. This hotel also has an infinity pool with great sea views and a waterfall pool with a running waterfall every other hour. So it's very hard trying these 5-star resorts out for you guys so you can see what you're getting and what the experience is like here. I mean, we're sweating, baking in the sun, sitting in these somewhat rocky boats just for you. We just want you to know that we care about you. We want you to enjoy your vacation when you finally get here. You will. Believe me, you will. So today we're getting a massage and they're having us pick out which oil we want. And we got coconut oil, we got jasmine oil, lemongrass oil, and gold oil. Guess which one we're gonna choose? The gold oil. Who wouldn't want to be massaged with gold? And now they bring us a welcome drink and little refreshing towels.
We're gonna go with gold oil.
So look at how cute our little welcome drink is. The true 5-star experience. They start the massage with a foot bath, and this hour-long relaxing massage was just 799 baht. And we have refreshments after the massage. The hotel also has paddle boards and kayaks that you can use for free. So today we're gonna try paddle boarding. See, it's rainy season, so there's clouds everywhere. But it's been like this all week, so we're gonna go ahead and go out and try it. We got our vest on, so no matter what, we should be safe. And this is my first time paddleboarding. Let's try it. Oh, it is really wobbly. Oh, am I strong enough to do this? I can't go anywhere.
Oh, you're going faster than you think. I'm walking right now.
Stand up. Oh. Maybe now I won't try to stand up now. I really hope I got that moment on camera. The cloudy weather didn't stop us from enjoying Santhiya's beach, both the sandy and the rocky side. Both sides are equally beautiful. This hotel also has live entertainment, both at breakfast and at dinner. So for breakfast, I got bacon and an omelet, a salad because I like my greens, orange juice, and the chicken and rice porridge. And David got a fruit plate. And there was so much more on the buffet, but we're trying not to be pigs. And nothing's better than eating breakfast with a view like this. And they have a foosball table. They also have a gym. So So in the morning, I plan on being in here, working out, and getting fit. So we got this room at such a ridiculous rate. Got the 5-star experience, all because of low occupancy, both due to rainy season and due to COVID-19. So we got this room for 1,560 baht per night. That's just a little under $50 a night. I can't believe we get all of this luxury for such a low price. So we hope you enjoyed this 5-star paradise on Yao Yai.
Yeah, we came here with very little expectation, but we were overwhelmed by how nice everything turned out.
Yes. So if you enjoyed exploring Yao Yai with us, please give the video a like and leave us a comment about your favorite part of this 5-star experience. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can get more videos about Thailand every week. If you missed any of our previous episodes, you can check those out on the right here. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing the videos. It's great having you with us on this journey. And take care until next time. Bye.